Here's an 0506 Acura RSX headlight package finished up for Ryan. These are built on brand new OEM style headlights, which we then retrofitted the Mini H1 by Xenon projectors inside. He chose the Apollo 3.0 shrouds. Now internally, as you can see, it is completely blacked out at his request. We went with a gloss black to match the factory lens bezel, which is also a gloss black. He also went and upgraded the high beams with our Faux quad upgrade option, which is basically giving you the quad retrofit look without the full quad retrofit price. Another clever thing he added was the yellow high beam tinting, and because the balls behind the lens are yellow, we have a passive demon eye effect here. Now the headlights include a Morimoto HID kit with a HD relay harness taking care of all the wiring for him. No need to splice, cut, or tap any wires. Everything is plug and play. You can order a package like this on our website at visionautoworks.com. Give us a call or an email if you have any questions.